Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. ALUR jumping right now in the moment, about to break out here. 78% for today, and it's still jumping. QUPT pulled back yesterday, guys, after the bad earnings. XHLD trying to do something drastic here in the pre-markets. Yeah, we've got this trend. Still didn't broke yet. It didn't break yet here. LITM broke from the resistance around the 71 and now is going toward an interesting level that we might hit at the market open. Good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it. So we've got a few stocks doing all right now in the pre-markets. PSTV, I don't like this one. We have kind of a fake out around the 133. Price didn't continue and now it's pulling back down. It was good yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was pretty good because it broke from the resistance 95 and hit the $1, $1.22 and continued toward the $2. Now it's pulling back. Welcome everybody. Night Rider Neo, any good? For Neo, brother, I don't like it for now because after the bad earnings and breaking the trend, it is dicey. Yeah, we have bad revenue and bad earnings. After breaking this level, I don't like it that much. Now it's going toward the $4 once again. MU, the same, is pulling back right now. Yeah, it's pulling back, holding a little bit here over the support, the 98. It might reverse because yesterday we have a nice jump for it, almost 7% here, then pull back. Even though we have good earnings for MU, the semiconductor stock, it went down almost 10% after that. So I'm watching it for a reversal, otherwise for a dip. SMCI, nothing much happening for SMCI. It's yesterday 2% and now is neutral. Palantir is pulling back 2%. Let's see what's going on with the market yesterday. Are we having a red day or green day? Yes, kind of neutral market yesterday. Yeah, kind of neutral. Night Rider, let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me and saw my point of view regarding Neo. Great. IBO, guys, this stock did 300% yesterday. Now it's pulling back. This one could be good for tomorrow or today for a reversal at least. We got RGC did really good. ADTX the few days ago. TNXB started to reverse. GameStop and DJT, nothing much here. So yeah, ALUR, guys, is the only one that is about to break here. Yeah, the only one that have potential to do something great. Let's check here. ALUR, IBO, PNBK, LITM. Yeah, ALUR guys, we got some news here. Announce initial result on the combination of low dose GLP-1 therapy to optimize muscle mass. Oh, so this is for the people who work out. Average total weight loss, blah, blah, blah. Wow. So you have weight loss of 20% with 15% increase in lean body mass. Holy moly. This is would be the new drug for bodybuilders. Interesting. ALUR guys. Really interesting stock. Let's see the product here on their website. Look at that. We have analyst rating for this one 660%, around $17. Huge target. And this is their website. Let's see. Control your appetite, get support from nutrition. Let's see, get started, how it works. Okay, let's see. In centimeter, let's see. Let's see. That put 88 or 150. Your age must be between 18 and 100. Okay, let's see if I put 30. Have you had stomach? No. Your BMI is 25. Start my weight loss journey. This is kind of stupid, guys, because unfortunately, program is not suited to you based on your answers. Usually, PMI is not correct because it doesn't show if this weight is muscle or fat, you know? So it's kind of stupid way to know if you are healthy or not. Anyway, ALUR, one of the stock that's jumping right now, guys. Uh-huh. Anderson, thank you for the clarification. Yeah. So just for losing fat with no diet. But they focus, they said you get body mass. So the mass, what kind of mass? If you lose fat and you get mass, mass of what? Should be muscle. No, because they said you lose fat, okay, but you gain mass. Mass of what? You have fat, you have muscle, you have tissues, you have cartilage. What kind of thing? That's why I thought it's like mass muscle. Anderson Ferreira, are you a doctor? Anderson, are you a doctor? If you're not a doctor, I'm not taking your info suggestion here. If you're a doctor, I will take your advice. Oh, Anderson is a bodybuilder. Okay. I'm a bodybuilder as well, but I'm not a professional bodybuilder, so it's different. Hello. So this one really interesting, guys. Really interesting stock. Have a good, interesting news coming up. What else we got? We got QBT as we said. This one, ITM. Let me just bring MU to see. Yeah, MU is kind of holding a little support here, guys, before the market open. So guys, MU at the market open, if we broke this support, it's gonna flush down. If we held, we're gonna have a huge jump up. The reversal could be almost 4% here. So we might go on the green side for MU. ALUR, the same. We have a target for it to go toward the 470. Ederson, how long you been training, brother? Are you training for competition or just for yourself? Now is a lot of people using right now, like growth hormones and 12 years. For me, I don't count like almost 5 or 7, but it's not continuous. Like I stopped training like in COVID, of course, and before COVID, I stopped almost like total 5 years. But it is easier to go back, I think. I think it's easier to go back if you are a bodybuilder before and you come back right now. It's really hard to lose muscle if you gain it naturally. Yeah, I know. I know it's better. The best medicine, I say, is the best medicine, guys, to train. Go to the gym is the best medicine. Free medicine. Free healthcare, guys. A lot of people say healthcare in America is really expensive, but you can get it for free if you go to the gym. Just 20 or $30 per month. This is it. Yeah, you need just diet and gym subscription and good diet, and you're good to go. And of course, good genetic, because sometimes you have some genetic diseases you can control. So if you hit the lottery with your genes, everything is good. You don't have to go to the hospital anymore. Okay, so Neo, guys, as we said, pulled back a lot yesterday. One of the reasons because of the earnings. This is one of the many reasons. SMCI, guys, is still trending down. We have this flag that we have to break for today. We have to break this trend for today, guys, for SMCI to have a squeeze up. I think many traders who trade in SMCI getting tired from this low volatility, because usually SMCI either have a huge bullish trend down or a huge bullish trend up. But now we kind of trending sideways. You see, a lot of you who trading SMCI is not comfortable with this situation, because every time we have a huge flush, huge pump, huge flush, huge pump. And this time we consolidating sideways. So that's why we see a lot of people getting tired from SMCI right now, because it is a bit slow. Okay, Palantir, guys, still holding as well. Waiting for Palantir either to pull back or jump. We're still in the midway. Until getting near a nice support here. Yeah, we should witness a bit of reversal. AMD is just tease. Yesterday we got a little tease. Tesla still nothing. Coinbase consolidating sideways with Mara, of course, hugging the bottom around the $12. For Bitcoin, nothing much happening for Bitcoin. Yeah, still neutral, still below the 94. It's like watching paint dry. Exactly. Oh man. You know, guys, this month we have the weakest month right now. Uh, like the first beginning of this year, it was active. February active. March, right now, the end of March, the market is dry. Yeah, we have Jimmy milking. Yeah, we have traps everywhere. The trick, guys, in the market right now, we have traps. The only one that look all right, guys, for today is ALUR because we got some news for a new drug, a really good result. So we have strong news, still holding the gain since the pre-market open. This one, the only one that looked good. QBT maybe because have earnings yesterday, we might have a reversal. LITM the same, did really great because it squeezed before the market open, or yeah, 2 hours ago. Already jumped until the 85. So this one want to go toward the $1. PSTV, MU, guys, I think we're gonna have a crash for MU at the market open. I don't like this reaction going down right now before the market open. Look at that. Think we're crashing down right now. Yeah, MU, I don't like it right now. I think we're gonna go down big time. Yeah, I think we're gonna go down big. I'm gonna take it from the list. What else we got here? AMD, NVIDIA, SMCI. Yeah, so we have a bit of trap for the market today. Watching ALUR, guys, at the market open could be really good for today. ALUR. The other one could be good is PSTV if we broke the $3, $1.33. Yeah, this one had a huge pullback yesterday and now reversed. And if we held the 95, it could continue the reversal. Disclaimer before we start our live streaming, guys, for today. Let us see. Booyah here. The market is about to open in few minutes. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Today, we've got a huge day. Huge day for SO so far, 99% going down. Which one? Anyway, remember, guys, we always go live every day to discuss the markets around or 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon. So, guys, let's get right to it. We've got a few stocks to watch. ALUR. This one could be all right if we broke the 419 for today. We have two buyers for this one. First one here around the 20th of March, pullback, and another one around the 21st of March. And finally, another third. So 2 days of pump and watching for the third pump. So we got two pump and we're waiting for the third. This is by far the only one that look good. The rest, it is all of them pulling back. You see, all the stocks is pulling back. CCL pulled back before the market open. Yeah, of course, didn't break the 21. Nike down, FDX is down. All those stocks have earnings yesterday. PVDD, the only one that did really great after the earnings yesterday. We discussed this one as well for reversal and reversed. Yeah, 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left at the market open. Hit the like, smash it, break it, destroy the like. Come on, guys. What you waiting for? Yeah, it's a wild Friday, guys. Wild Friday today. Palantir is down by just 2%. This is could change, guys, because sometimes we have a green pre-market, then red market. Now we have a red pre-market. We might have a green at the market open, especially for SMCI because it's just on the green side right now. Okay, 1 minute left. Let's get right to it. Where is the money hiding? I see a bit of volatility. The volatility is getting lower right now. Traffic light. Yeah, it's not green yet, and it's not yellow yet. I think we are on the yellow market right now. So green is bullish, red is bearish, yellow it is, of course, consolidation. So we are on the yellow side, man. We are on the yellow side in a big picture. Let us count down to the market open, guys. We'll watch SMCI for today. Yeah, CVNA could be good. I'm gonna put alert for CVNA just in case here if we broke. Nike, guys, we have bad earnings every time. Even good earnings, the price go down for Nike. Nobody buying Nike shoes anymore. Is going down every second. Okay, the market is open, guys. The market is open officially, and it is red. It is red everywhere. SMCI green a bit. INTC red. Nvidia is red. Neo. Coinbase. Okay, SMCI is moving a bit. Yeah, it's moving a bit here. Tesla in green, and Tesla and Nvidia. The only stocks are in green. So yeah, we might have a green market now. Let us see the pre-market. ALUR still below the resistance, no breakouts. QUBT trying to test. Yeah, QUBT testing the resistance. Yeah, CCL is going down. Gonna put alert here. If we broke the 1966, is me, we're gonna continue the flush. Oh man, FDX looking really juicy here for a dip. FedEx, yeah, 15%. Yeah, FedEx guys looking really juicy. Yeah, SMCI, we have a resistance right now to break, guys, around that level. The 4110. Yeah, the 4110 should be a resistance. ALUR, we didn't break the resistance yet. QUBT, we have a reversal. Nice break for QUBT. So the resistance now turned around the 748. ALUR, disappointment here. We didn't break. Look at that. Didn't break this resistance. We have a pullback right now for ALUR, guys. VBRX has a great news. VB or VRBX. TNXP, RNAZ. Let us check those stocks. Okay. This one reverse split 1 to 225, guys. VRBX. It is too much, jumped too much. So yeah, we might go back to fill the gap. Yeah, it's too much. This one I don't like. RNAZ. Now just below the $1. We got the target around the 114 and 130. Pullback could be really great around the 84, but again, I don't like the technical that much. QUBT just jumped and still jumping. PSTV still holding. IBO still jumping. RGC still jumping. I think it's halted. TNXB, yes, really good right now. Yeah. Yeah, TNXB guys, we have a resistance right now to break around 2176. target 25. Yeah, we're reverse from the current support $16. 10XP looking great. RGC, I think it's halted right now, guys, around the resistance, the 58.80. Oh man, this one is really good. Yeah. Let's see which stock got halted right now. Well, RGC is halted. We got INLF, we got CRVO, already discussed this before. We got WGRX, HCAI. Okay, got those stocks to check. Okay, this one not good. CRVO, light and volume got halted right around our target, the 1397. This one, maybe I will keep it on the list if the volume changed, because it's just 126. So I'm gonna keep it. MGRX, the same, light on volume. INLF halted down. So yeah, the only one that look maybe good is CRVO. PSTV, guys, started to reverse, is about to break the 133. So I'm gonna put PSTV, QUBT, IBO, RGC, unhalted below the 58. Yeah, still holding the support here. SMCI pulling back. Yeah, green, now red. Tesla still green. The only one is in green is Tesla. And I think this is mean we have some news. Elon Musk urges Tesla employees to hang on to their stock as he lays out sustainable abundance vision. Holy moly. Musk, I understand if you don't want to buy our product, but you don't have to burn it down. Elon Musk late Thursday told employees to hang on to their stock as he laid out a vision in which Optimus robots become the top-selling product of all time. The other employee was products on the broadcast on social media X, which he also owns. Wow, Tesla stock tumbled 42 this year as sales have fallen in Europe, Chinese, and Tesla shares pre-market trade. Yeah. So I think this is a kind of a cry for help from Elon Musk to not sell, continue selling. Because yeah, as you see here, this is not normal, guys. A lot is selling for Tesla. Big sell-off, 56%. And he knows if he don't talk, the stock will tumble 60% or even more. Maybe even 70%. So now a huge correction, guys, for Tesla from the 488 now 200. More than 50. SMCI is still roller coaster. We got a roller coaster ride for SMCI. Oh man, RGC, big seller guys. They're not leaving here around the 58.83. So if we don't break this level, RGC will not go up for today. TNXB, finally we have a breakout here. It's testing the resistance breakout. Yeah, doing all right here. On the right track. Yeah, TNXB after the earnings back in Tuesday. We have a bit of consolidation. Now it is going up again. So TNXB is still good. QUBT jumping up before our bottom. It was tricky trade because first we broke the support here around the 660 and we didn't have a more pullback here to reverse from there. So sometimes we have this kind of reaction, guys. The stock reversed before the support because of FOMO. Some people trigger the buying pressure before the real support. And this is will make the price go down faster. So it will be really tricky right now. Around 755. So there's a huge chance that we're gonna have a pullback. TNXB double top. ALUR broke the support. CRVO guys doing pretty good right now. Yeah, CRVO unhalted and it's going toward 17 or the $19. Yeah, 17 should be a good target for this strong stock. CRVO. Okay, we don't have a huge red day for today. Tesla and the SMCI have the same gains, almost 2%. Yeah, Tesla still testing here. Could be it, guys, for Tesla. Could be it for a good reversal. Yeah, roller coaster today. Why everybody talking about VRBX? Yeah, we have some news about the RBX. Of course, first of all is the reverse split 1 to 25. Okay. It's really light on volume. So I don't like the trend for VRBX, guys, even though we have news. This one was the top gainer, IBO. QUBT, as we said, guys, this one had earnings yesterday. Jumping up after the bad earnings yesterday. Almost 1000% suppressed down. Suppress. So Tesla and SMCI are the only green, but I think Palantir is gonna follow. It's gonna be on the green side. CBNA the same. Dell, Neo still down 4%. So yeah, we expect a reversal for the market because everything start to reverse now. Yeah, if Tesla reversed here, would be a huge reversal, guys. If Tesla start to reverse, it's gonna be a huge. Yeah, Tesla, I think we're gonna have finally a green. The confirmation for reversal for Tesla, it is around 265, so it's a bit far. So yeah, we could bet on Tesla today and the rest of the week to have a reversal. It is oversold right now. It is oversold. CRVO is still jumping up. QUBT the same. PSTV still have a little hope for this one, guys. That's why I'm keeping it here on our list. RNAZ. Yeah, double top right now for RNAZ. It reversed perfectly here from the 86. What a creed. I didn't expect this reversal, guys. It was really quick. Yeah, RNAZ, guys, could be good for today if we broke this level. Yeah, PSTV, it's pulling back. RNAZ, guys, we got a resistance to break right now around the 116. If we broke it, we might have the 130. A good reversal already happened over the 88. TNXB, it is on the green side as well. It could be good TNXB if we broke the 2180. CRVO is too much. This one, it is too much. Yes, too much for me. QUBT is still jumping. So I'm gonna focus on TNXB and RNAZ because it's about to squeeze here from the 115. ADTX pumping from the low. No, I'm gonna pass, man. Broke the support ADTX. It is a bit weak for today. PNBK game over here. It's the same for BTOG. Wow, RGC, it might be good to break here, but too dangerous because it's overextended. So yeah, RNAZ, guys, is the one right now to watch. RNAZ, good to watch to go toward the 130. What a day was for this one. Okay. Good, really good news about approved for opening a fourth group in phase 1 trial to treat metastatic cancer. Okay, so this company focuses on treating cancer, guys. RNAZ market. It is a small cap. RNAZ TNXB PSTV. This one is a teaser, guys. Just a tease. We have a tease here. Price went down, nothing changed. I'm giving it a try because it's still holding the 95. If we broke the 95, it's game over. There's a huge chance for a reversal if we held over the 95. QVT reversed from before the support. So this one was a bit tricky, guys. It is a tricky trade. Not all trade actually smooth. Not all of them. Some stocks are rough. RGC it is smooth. Broke the trend here, broke the resistance. Yeah, it's going up right now toward the 69. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the resistance for RGC. It is pulling back now. RNAZ, it did a huge reversal, guys, so it might pull back before even the 130. So I would be extremely careful with this one, because if we pull back, we need to hold over the $1.05 to confirm that we're not gonna have a flush this time. TNXB still below the resistance. CCL still holding over the support. Nike had earnings yesterday, as we said, guys. Even though the earning was good, but pulled back anyway. Every earnings we have a sell-off for Nike every time. Imagine since 2021 December, after we flush here with the bad revenue, went down almost 13% from the 125. Everything changed. Everything has changed since even 2021, yeah, November. And it's still going down, man. From almost the 200 and now below the $70. It's getting juicy. RNAZ, guys, is still jumping. It is good with QBT. RNAZ, guys, going toward the 130. RNAZ, the only one that doing pretty fantastic. RNAZ, guys, it is the only one doing really fantastic right now. $130, guys, is the target right now for RNAZ. After that, we might flush down. 126. Whoa, I think this is it, guys. We have a big seller around the 130. I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna exit right now. It is too risky, man. Around the 130. RNAZ did a really great job, guys. We went until the 128. TNXB pulling back, PSTV. Yeah, RNAZ did a huge reversal. So this is it for RNAZ. What else we got here? CBOE. CBOE. What's going on with this one? No, it's not good, man. It's not good. So yeah, RNAZ is the one. It is the one. RNAZ testing the $1.30. Hallelujah. What's the top loser for today? Let us check here. Top loser stocks for today. We got top gainer. Go here. IBO. Allure. Okay, top loser. We got DMN. Y the HC. Which one you said, brother? LSE. 11%. Wow. It broke all the levels. Now I think it's halted again. Wow. Yeah, it's going down big. It went down from here to there, 50%. Whoa. Yeah, we have the $6 and $3 for LSE. Two target. RNAZ, guys, time for a pullback around the 130. We hit the $1.30 precisely. Now it's pulling back. TNXB, the 21. PSTV still have a chance to retest the 136. QUPT is still jumping up. RGC, yeah, the 69. It is the top target for today. Interesting. When Donald Trump talk, crude oil jumps. Anderson, IBO, it is too risky, brother. Too risky play. Yeah, even though it's jumped here, but yeah, the $5, it is the top resistant. Now, yeah, we held the 289, but it jumped really quickly from the $1. So if we held the 289, yes, this one will go toward the even the 6 and maybe the 10. So if we have the 280, okay. Otherwise, I will wait for a dip. XHLD. Wow, it broke the trend, guys. Wow, this one broke the trend. I keep it on my list. On my main list. What else should I bring to the main list to discuss later on our Discord? CRVO maybe? Nope. ALUR, IPO maybe. Still strong. Yeah. IPO and BKKT could be good later. Wow. Yeah, this is all the stock that we keep watching for today. Okay. RNAZ is still trying to break the 130 here. Oh man, this is unusual, guys. We have another breakout for RNAZ. Good God. Yeah, this is because of their new phase 1 trial cancer drug. Exactly. We have FOMO here. GV. Let's check GV. Wow, GV to the depth of the sea. It's going down. It's been consolidating a lot around the 8. So yeah, now it's time for a pullback. Yeah, it's overextended GV. So I'm gonna keep it later. We might have a nice dip for it. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for today. Have a nice Friday Of course, don't overtrade. The market is unpredictable. RNAZ was the best trade for today, guys. As we discussed, it was nice reversal here, first from the 86, then we held the $1. We said the 130 is the first profit taken, and we went there. And of course, PSTV could be good later. QUBT reversed from after the earnings, but now might pull back. So we have a lot of stocks that we have a nice jump for. In the meantime, have a nice weekend, guys. See you back on Monday, next Monday, to discuss market in depth. If you want to have early access as usual and live alert during and before and after the market open, you can join us on our Discord and Patreon for the support. Okay, guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for being here. Whatever you do, whatever you did, liking the video, sharing our live streaming, blessing will come from Jesus and from my Father. And you're gonna be a millionaire or billionaire the coming years. So don't be shy by showing your love and sharing our live streaming. Sharing is caring. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being here. The trial result will appear on the 28th of March. Thank you, man. Thank you for the reminder. Yes, shout out to the first one who mentioned RNAZ. Did you mention RNAZ today? I don't see. Anyway, thank you, guys. Thank you for being here. See you back on Monday. Have a nice weekend.